That's my girl.
What you got?
Oh yeah, show him what you got. Show him what you got. Put it in your mouth. You gotta put it in your mouth.
Brandon's more excited about the cookie than Olivia is. Oh yeah.
Take a picture, take a picture.
I'm recording this.
Oh my gosh, this is so funny. She's adorable.
She's quite the cute kid. He's getting in there. What do you think? Is that a good cookie? What the heck is Bree doing? What do you think? Is that good? That's a cookie. And that's your first ever cookie, first of many, if I know the rest of us. If you're anything like the rest of us, that's one of like a million.
My mom says she's not going to have chocolate till she's 5.
Well, she's like 6 months and experiencing a cookie. Make a mess. You're not even making a mess. She's a sweet girl. You can't even make a mess with it. You can make a mess with it. Destroy that cookie. Let's back it up a little bit, okay? We don't need to gag ourselves on the cookie. Oh, jeez. You're a crazy kid. Let's see. All right. That's what I'm saying. Come here, Bree. Come look at her. This is her favorite thing ever.
What is she doing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Because I'm devouring it. I'm devouring it.
Cookie.
You're devouring it.
Hey, this cookie is not a must.
Oh my gosh. That's why you letting her out.
That's hilarious.
Why are you letting her out? We have to We have to.
I don't know. We'll see. Probably never do anything with it. It's pretty darn cute, though. Your mom is going to be so mad.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think, Wiz? Does that really hit the spot?
It's all over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Was that the right stuff?
Oh, it is for her.
Such a cute kid.
She's making my stomach hurt. Oh, ow. Yeah. Oh my gosh. She's totally a thumb sucker.
Get out of the glare.
Put it in your mouth. Come on.
Sorry.
That's what we do.
She's yelling at the cookie.
She's telling him to go get a job.
Oh. So much for that. What happened to it? That's not it.
Where is yours? It's on her lap. The cookie's on her lap.
Where'd it go? We need to get you some real food.
You sure like that chocolate, didn't you? She liked it.